My name is Dalton Hesley. I'm a senior research associate here at the University of Miami's Rosendale School, where I specialize in coral reef restoration and citizen science in Dr. Learman's benthic ecology lab. Citizen science is a lot like it sounds, where it means that any citizen, individual of the public, actually has an opportunity to participate in a research or scientific endeavor. So that could be coral restoration, that could be butterfly monitoring, that could be water quality, but it essentially empowers local community members to learn more about their environmental activities and resources, and then be a part of their conservation and restoration in the case of our Rescue Reef program. So Rescue Reef is a citizen science program that came from our coral reef research and restoration, where we realized that coral reefs are facing a lot of different issues, and active restoration can be a huge tool for their recovery, but we really needed to do more. So Rescue Reef allows the opportunity for any individual from the public to come on the boat with us, meet our team, learn about this stuff, and then actually help with our restoration so they can then be part of their recovery long term. The other wonderful thing about citizen science is that it both advances our own research and restoration while allowing the educational and experiential opportunity to the individual. Because when they work alongside our scientists, it's a great opportunity for them to learn about what we're doing, ask questions about why it's important, all while actually contributing to the science project firsthand.